Hello guys, welcome to NareshIT Technologies. In this video, I'm going to talk about Terraform introduction. So this is going to be very first section of the examination. So have a look on it. First of all, what is Terraform? As we know, Terraform is a tool that is going to create the infrastructure. But lot of people fail to answer if I ask, what is the meaning of infra? So let me explain in a clear view. Infrastructure is nothing but the cloud resources which we require to run the application on the cloud. For example, EC2 servers, S3 buckets, and VPC, and lot of stuff as well. So what Terraform will do is, whatever the resources we require to run on the cloud, that is going to automate through the code. So Terraform is a free tool but not open source anymore. Previously it used to be open source but not now. So it comes into the market in 2014, and in the backend of Terraform we use Go programming language to create. And the person who developed the Terraform is nothing but Hashimoto. So it is not only going to work for cloud, and even we can manage the on-prem resources as well. So that's all about the intro. Thank you.